Something else. Oh, it's your bow burning, Daddy. Yeah.
Why does it burn? That's not what I was trying to do.
I have almost a full bow stash and full of Savage Vinyl bows. And they don't